LearningStrome Academy. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about some methods of strings, okay, and which are most often used in some problems like substring, and number of times it is occurring, okay, first occur some such kind of questions, okay. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about function find, we are going to talk about function index, we are going to talk about functions like we have count, okay, we are going to talk about a function method like we have Endswith, okay, and we are going to talk about like we have Startswith, okay. So we are going to talk about this function, and we are going to talk about the application where we can use it, okay, and what are the various parameters accept. So this kind of thing we are going to talk. So let's start the discussion. So guys, sometimes so first of all we are going to talk about find function. So actually guys, find and index both are similar, but there is some little bit different between the find and index. So I will explain each and everything to you. So makes so start so guys, what is the purpose of find? So actually guys, find returns first index of the first occurrence of a substring, okay. Like I am searching for particular, like I am searching for space, okay, like I want to search for a space in a particular string, okay. So guys, you can see here, here is also space, here is also space, here is also space. So you can see here how many spaces in this string, okay. But find will return you only the first occurrence of a particular thing that you are looking for in a particular string, okay. So guys, I am this is the program which we can use, okay. Guys, here in this program actually guys, we are finding a substring is present in the string or not, okay. So how we can find a particular substring is present in the string or not, guys? We can simply call a find method, okay guys. The find method has three parameters, okay. So two are optionals, okay. So two are optional, okay. So the way we can use the find function is very simple. We need to call find function with the object, okay, in which I want to check, okay. So I want to check the particular substring in that object, that is s, okay, in this object, okay. So we are calling that find function with that object, okay. So simply guys, now one more thing, if the particular character is present in the string, in that case it is going to return the index of particular character, okay. But there is also more case if it is not present. So in that case, what is going to do in this case guys, our interpreter is going to return as -1, okay. So that's why guys, you can see here we are writing if index that we are looking in the sentence is not equal to -1, it's mean that it is present, okay. It mean that it is present. If it is present, so print the position where it is, okay. If it is not present, then I am going to simply write that substring is not part of the string that you are looking with. So let's run this program. So see, it is saying me enter substring. So like first of all, let's give only space, okay. You can see how many spaces we have here, okay. So let's run it. So you can see it is giving us 5 is the first occurrence of the space here, okay. So let's run this program once again. So guys, let enter the position a, let's write a, okay. Let's write o, okay. Where is o? Okay, I want to search o, okay. So it is returning another 4, guys. There are many o. Here is also o, in from is also o, in storm is also okay, but it is returning the first occurrence, that is in hello, okay guys. So it is returning as the first occurrence. So guys, yeah, if you have such a question, return the number of time it is returning, okay, and return the indexes where in a sentence where o is occurring again. So we have such, we can also solve such kind of problems. I will tell you how, okay. So before this, let's simply think, see, if we have a if we want to find a particular string, okay, so it will return a first occurrence of a string, okay guys. So now if we are going to search a particular substring which is not in the string, so what is going to happen? You can see here, okay, sorry, first of all I need to run my program first, okay. So it is working, yeah. You can see guys here, let's search the 9. So guys, 9 is not a part of string, okay. So when the string is not a part of substring is not about string, in that case our find function is going to return -1. So here this condition becomes -1 not equals to -1. In this case guys, as you can see, it is false, okay. Both are equal. So in this case guys, this condition is not going to work, okay, and else this part is going to work. Okay, so we are going to get, say, yeah, substring is not a part of string. Okay, so that's why we are getting substring is not a part of string. Okay guys, so in this way guys, we can find in this guys we can find our substring, okay, in a particular string. Okay guys, so let's pay oh, okay. So now actually guys, find method take three parameters. Okay, so what are other three parameters? Like when I guys, we are not going to provide start and end point. Okay, the other parameter are start and end. Okay, in substring guys, the three parameter, one is the string that I want to search, other is start position from where I want to start looking, and stop which position till that position I want to search. Okay, so these are three parameters. Okay, if I'm not going to provide start and stop, so guys, in that case our interpreter is going to take default position. That start position is starting 0th index, and stop position the length of the string -1. Okay, so this is the start and stop position of the index. Okay guys, so if we, so we can also make we can also instruct our find, you have to start looking from a particular position. Like I want to say that you have to start from this eye, you have to start looking from this eye. Okay, so how can we do? We can provide the index position of the start. Okay, like the index position of I is 6, so I can say you have to start from the 6. Okay, and you have to go till the length of say, you can simply say, okay, length of say as. Okay, so in that case guys, let's run this program. So you can see here it is saying me, okay, enter the and enter substring. So I now I want to check. Oh, okay, so guys, in this case it is going to return 19. You can see here earlier when we are checking the position of O, so it is returning 4. Okay, because the first occurrence of O is the 4th index. Okay, but now we are started looking from the this position I. Okay, so now guys, the O, now the first occurrence of O is at the 19th position. Okay, so in this case guys, this is the we can also put start and stop position from which we can start looking. Okay, from which where we can to start looking. Okay, so with the help of this thing we can start looking from mid of string, from any part of string. Okay, with the help of with the help of start and stop. Okay guys, so this is all about the find function. Guys, so let me tell you one more thing. If I am not going to provide anything, like I don't want to provide any argument, okay, so what is going to happen guys? So guys, in this case, okay, first, okay, let me, yeah, so guys, in this case we are not going to get any kind of error. Okay, we are not going to get any kind of error. Why? Because we are not getting any error. Just let me tell you, like I'm going to search anything. Like I want to search here first of all, yeah, here we need to find now, so we don't put anything. See, what is happening here? Wait guys, wait, let me clear it first of all. Okay, so let's run it once again. Okay, so it is saying enter substring. Okay, so let's enter the substring. Let's enter hash. Okay, sorry, don't be part of it. Okay. Let's enter hash. So guys, we are getting error. Why we are getting an error? Just because guys, why we are getting error guys, because simply we need to at least provide the searchable part that I want to search. Okay, if we are not going to provide a searchable part, in that case we are going to get an error. Okay guys, so that is the main reason. Okay guys, so whenever guys you want to, like here guys, here we are getting an error that find takes at least one argument. Okay, and we are providing nothing to it. Okay, the one argument that we need to provide is what we need to provide, the thing that I want to search. Okay, it is mandatory kind of thing. Okay, like it is saying at least one, so at least one, so we can put anything like put search part. Okay, like space, and then put the sixth position, and then the 10th position. Like, okay, so what is going to happen here? It is going to work or not? Simply guys, it is not going to work. Okay, so we need to provide, it is mandatory to provide the search part that I want to search. Okay guys, so this is all about the find function guys. Okay, see here, here we don't get any error. Why? Because actually interpreter works line by line. Okay, so there is no problem in this statement. The problem is here in the find function. That's why we got an error. Okay guys, so this is about the find function. So guys, as I told you about the index method is similar like the find method. Just there is one difference between the find method and index method. What is it? Actually, guys, index method is also used to find the index of the particular syntax, okay, particular character, okay, and it will return the index of its first occurrence, okay, where it is occurring very first time, okay. In that case, it will only return it, okay. But guys, there is one thing that I need to tell you, that simply. One more thing that I have to tell you guys. Uh, okay, so guys, we have one more thing that we rfind. Okay, what is the meaning of rfind actually? So let me tell you one more thing. We have two functions, that is find and another is rfind. So what is the purpose of rfind? So guys, actually rfind actually simply, guys, when we are using find, so in that case it is starting looking from the forward direction, okay. It will search from the initial position, okay. But when we will use r find, in that case, guys, it is going to search from the reverse, okay. It will check from this position, okay. So if I will search, like I want to search now o, position of o, okay. So see what is going to happen here. So let's run it. So you can see here it is saying, okay, sorry, we need to write here I and e, okay, because we are taking a dynamic input, okay. Yeah, so you can see here, okay, let's run this program. So enter something like I want to run, okay, okay. So you can see here it is returning is 48, okay. Now guys, you can see here the purpose of rfind is just reverse the find, okay. Whatever task we are performing through find, the purpose of rfind is just opposite. Just it will actually, with the help of find, we are searching in the forward direction. With the help of rfind, we can search from the backward direction, okay. This is the little difference between a find and rfind, okay. Just okay, so you can see here, when we are looking for the particular syntax, that is o, so it is returning as 48, okay. That is the index of 4 from the backward, okay guys. So you can see, guys, here it is returning the index from the backward position, okay. The backward position is where we have o, okay. So this is the about the find and rfind function, okay. So now guys, the other thing that I have to tell you regarding other which function is index function. So index function is just same as the find function. So what is the difference between index and rfind? So guys, the purpose of index is also find the particular occurrence of character in the string, okay. The difference is that if the string is not available in the particular string in which you are looking, in that case it is going to throw an error, okay. So see guys, if I am going to run a particular program, let run. Let's run this program, okay. Say I want to search, like I want to search 9, okay. So 9 0 or 9 anything which is not present in this string. In this case we are going to get an error. See, we are in getting an error, value error, that is substring not found, okay. So this is the difference between the find function and the string index function. Actually guys, index and find are exactly same, expect one different, that is index. If the string is not available in particular substring, if the substring that you are looking for is not available in string, in that case guys, it is going to return error, okay. The error is type error, string not found, okay. So this is the difference between similarly string and index and the find, okay guys. So uh, let's guys, there's also r index, okay. R index same like we have r find, okay. It will start looking from the reverse of this string, okay. It will start looking from the reverse, okay. So simply, if I will search a particular index, okay, like I want to search for o, okay. I want to search for o. In that case guys, it is going to return same, okay. Sorry, I'm you can see I was looking for 0, that's why it raises an error. So if I will see, we are going to get 4, okay. Sorry, we are pending here index, we need to write r also. So you can see here we are getting 48, okay. So in this case guys, actually our index and find function both are exactly same, just a little difference. So now I think if anyone going to ask you regarding what is the difference between find and index, so you can able to same. Okay, so now other thing that guys, if sometimes we need a question, actually find an index method just return you the first occurrence for particular vector. But sometimes guys, you got a question like give return each and every occurrence of particular substring in a string. Okay, so how we can do guys? So it is very simple. So we need to take a loop, that is while. Okay, let's simply take a loop. Okay, okay, and let's make it true until, okay, we are not time, we are looking for break. Okay, so guys, as I told, it will always start looking from the initial position. Okay, so we need to change this position again and again. So how we can change this position? So initially we need a variable, like we want to put variable, okay, anything like position, okay, equal to -1. Okay, and -1, and initially I want to search for a index. Okay, in index from the position that I have. Okay, and +1. Okay, and then guys, till the length of the string that I have. Okay, now guys, what do we need to do? Simply, if a particular, let's take a use of find function, because index function can raise an error. Okay, index function can raise an error, so that's why we're using it, find function. Okay, so better to use find function, not index function, because index function are going to raise an error. Okay, so it is not suitable. So else break. Okay, so we can do here, what we can do, we can do break if it is not present. Okay, simply. So let's run this program. So it's here, you can see here it is going to say us, okay, what do you want to search? Actually, like I want to search each and every occurrence of O in our program. Okay, no, no. Okay, like I want to search each and every occurrence of O in our program. Okay, so see, it is going to say, okay, wait, what is happening here? Actually our program went to position +1. Okay, we just need to return. Oh, sorry. The main problem that is happened here, actually, what we need to change the position also, and we are not changing the position. Okay, so let's change it as find. Let's find the, okay, simply. So yes, so you can see guys here, it will return us every time the address. Okay, so we can also write if position is not equal to -1. Okay, position not equal to -1. In this case, just you need to convert, print the position where it is. Okay, position where it is. Okay, else we can do what? Else guys, we can do what? Simply break. Okay, if it is. Okay, so let's run this program once again. So like I want to search O. Okay, so it is going to return the various indexes where it is. Okay, you can see first it is occurring in the position where it is occurring in the position, guys, where yeah, you can see first is the 4th index, then it is the 19th index, then it is on the 22nd index, then it's 29, and then again 34 and 38. Okay guys, so in this way, if anyone asks you return us each and every occurrence of particular say substring in a string, so how we can do it? This is a very simple way in which we can do. So guys, you can see we are achieving the particular task within how much line? Just we are writing for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 approx 10 line. Okay guys, so this is a very short way in which we can find a particular occurrence, number of time it is occurring. Okay guys, so guys, one more thing we can do, we can also print, like sometimes we need to write the code, write a lines of code, a particular string is occurring in a particular substring is occurring. So for this guys, we can use a count function. Okay, so for this we can use a count function. What is the purpose of count function, guys? Simply just like I want to search, like print, like we are looking for O. Okay, so O is occurring how many times? Okay, so how we can do? Simply we can call our count function, that's s dot count. Okay, s dot count simply, and the particular string that you want to search, like I want. Okay, so let's run this program. You can say simply, hey guys, enter substring, like I want to search for O. So it is going to say it is occurring 6 times. You can see if we count this, it is occurring again 6 times. So guys, simply in if anyone say return write a program to count a number of time a particular string does, so simply we can use a count function for it. Okay guys, so guys, this is a very important function. Okay, again guys, okay, so if you talk about count function guys, again guys, it also have a three parameters. Okay, one is guys start position. Okay, again other is end position. So guys, we can start looking from, like, I want to start counting from this position. Okay, I onwards the I. Okay, the onwards I guys, we need to provide is its starting address, and again the end position. Okay, so I want to provide the end position length of string. Okay guys, so let's run this program. So guys, it is going to say, let's search for O. Now guys, it is going to return 5. Why? Because now we are looking from this position. Okay, so the length the start and stop position optional. Okay guys, so when we are not going to provide start and stop position, in that case it is going to take the initial position as the start position and the length of the string -1 as a end position. Okay guys, so in this case, in this way guys, our count function work. Okay, so guys, the other function about which we need to talk is guys ends with and start with. Okay, so what is the purpose of ends with and start with? Sometimes guys, we need to I want to check that a particular strings is start with this particular character or not. I want to check. Okay, so for this guys, we have a function that ends with and start with. Okay guys, so simply, like, I want to check ends with. Okay, and then guys, particular character I want to check, like, okay, so we are taking in dynamic output, so we can simply say, okay, like, I want to check, okay, it ends with OME. Okay, it is going to say true. Yeah, it ends. Okay guys, so actually it returns true and false. Okay, so you can simply check. Let's run once again. You can see here, if I want to check, is it ends with strong? Yes, it is returning false. Why? Because the spelling of from is not correct. Okay, so again, if you run it, okay, now it is true. Okay, so this is the function guys, with the help of we can check is a particular string ends with a particular thing or not. Okay, again guys, we have one more thing. Okay, guys, okay, we can also provide start and position also here guys. Like, I want to search. Okay, like, I want to search. Same like others. Okay, so now guys, another function about which I need to talk is um, ends with, and now we are going to do our start with. Okay guys, so let's talk about start with. It's same. Okay, we need to write the code where we want to search. Simply, yes, I want to check is my string start with hello, okay, or ends with hello. So in first case it is going to return false because we are checking ends with, and in the next case it is going to return true because we are checking with starts with. Okay guys, so this is the way in which we can use start with and end with function. Okay guys, so these are the very important question that we talk about: find, rfind, index, count. They are mostly used functions, okay, methods in Python. Okay guys, so in the next video we are going to talk about more method that we have in strings. Okay, and then we are going to talk about other data structure that we have. Okay guys, if you like this video, you can keep your thumbs up. Okay, if you want to also watch our videos, you can share this video. Okay, if you want that, if you want our daily videos, okay, regarding any concepts, you can subscribe our channel. Okay, and thank you till next video.